What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon and you are watching Crypto Review Central. Today we are talking about an asset that just very recently hit the market and has been doing very well despite some skepticism throughout their ICO period. Currently sitting at 20 cents USD, up 10% in this recent bullish activity over the last few days, although volume has been relatively low considering what they started with a 24-hour volume of over $5 million at times in the first few days of them hitting the market. It has seen one period of drop off and then a resurgence back up again over $5 million just a few days later, and has dropped off in the recent market peelback. But as bulls come back in, Open Platform should continue to grow in market cap. Being so new, CoinMarketCap does not have a total valuation for the Open Platform market cap yet, but expect that very soon. And along with that, circulating supply will be updated as well. But first, I have a very exciting announcement to make. We at Crypto Review Central are announcing a giveaway. Smash that like button and help this video get to 200 likes, and we will be giving away $50 USD in Bitcoin to a lucky subscriber. All you have to do is smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about Open Platform. Don't forget to include your Bitcoin address. The winner will be randomly chosen as soon as we hit 200 likes. So don't forget to leave your Bitcoin address along with a thoughtful comment about Open Platform. Their website is openfuture.io. and they are the first blockchain infrastructure for applications. With a unique payment infrastructure, they are solving a very real problem, bridging the gap between normal payment applications and cryptocurrency in an innovative and very simple way. Will provide any application rails to connect all on-chain payments and the complementing proof of goods into any application's backend. Think of it as the first developer wallet all applications require, with an accompanying API to enable any developer to use Open to port their applications to any blockchain. Utilizing scaffolding technology, the Open Scaffolds and Open States enable applications to interoperate with on-chain components. The Open API enables on-chain interactions to sync with an application's database, record and update payments, user data, user access, etc. on and off the blockchain, all at the same time. It utilizes a unique utility design that not only powers infrastructure, but also provides a mechanism to grow developer adoption of the Open Platform. Scaffolds allow application developers to accept payments by utilizing a mechanism to encourage adoption of the Open Platform. Open is able to support its community of users while powering growth for applications, regardless of their industry or currency of choice. They published their white paper in September of 2017, and since February of 2018 have been in a rapid development stage. With the token sale and airdrop now complete, and developer beta program and the Open Developer Kit to be launched this month, as well as the Open 1.0 based on the Ethereum platform, along with the Open API and Open Wallet to go live in July. So a lot is happening during this supposed altcoin season of the summer of 2018. It is noteworthy to say that their partners are small companies, and the development team can be seen as a junior team. All the more reason for them to be ambitious, and to fully understand how Open Platform works, you must have a look through their white paper. And regardless of the quote-unquote blue chip experience that the development team might lack, the sheer utility and potential use cases for Open Platform really made it a promising and attractive ICO, and has obviously seen a healthy amount of volume for a brand new asset that just hit the market, already priced at 20 cents, coming onto the market at 21 cents, and seeing a push to almost 30 cents in the first few days. It has retraced, but the framework is just being laid for Open Platform, and the future has yet to unfold. There are a ton of technical limitations that exist in blockchain technologies, particularly in providing decentralized solutions for required core aspects of how applications function in a conventional setting. Presently, there exists no easy solution for application developers to integrate blockchain technologies into their core infrastructure. And that is what we are all going for, is global worldwide adoption, where blockchain technology permeates every industry and is incorporated by companies, simply because other companies in their space have already adopted blockchain and are seeing positive results. results that other companies in the space are forced to join or else lose out on those competitive advantages that the blockchain provides. Infrastructure to accommodate an application's specific pricing scheme and the ability to determine which users on a decentralized platform have met the conditions of a specific pricing scheme, i.e. paid or have enough in application currency. These analytics and infrastructure are severely lacking. Specifically, developers require a way in which they can integrate a decentralized payment gateway into their application's custom payment scheme that is able to accept any cryptocurrency and synchronize such transactions with their existing backend. Centralized systems inherently have incredible inefficiencies that can easily be eliminated by incorporating aspects of a decentralized stack, as is the attraction for many non-blockchain powered companies to take an interest in blockchain technology. Consider the example of when using a centralized system to host or operate an application. Oftentimes, developers must go through a long, arduous auditing process by a centralized figure in which every single application update is heavily scrutinized over, and thus very, very time consuming. Long backends for developers to publish their latest update containing a more efficient data structure pricing model. It's good information that just takes a long time to get out. Further issues with payment verification gateways exist as the current flow of in-app purchases go through countless processes and third parties, adding unnecessary time and, more importantly, cost before reaching the developer's account. In this way, companies can save money by utilizing existing blockchain technology to enhance their current structure and get a competitive advantage over other companies in the space. And thus, for us cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the future of blockchain technology permeating industry can be really fully realized. Through Open, a solution to this problem can be achieved, utilizing systems of sophisticated smart contracts as transaction and verification tools for software applications. Not only do payments come faster, they come at a lower transaction cost with the added benefits of a trustless environment. This enables unique benefits for the application developers and its users. I know that was a little dense, but here is a graphical display of the current payment infrastructure. Users communicate with the application database, and the application databases then communicates with the payment processor, who then has to communicate with the merchant bank, verify everything in the application database, go to the user's bank, and then all get transferred back. And even if that complete process goes off without a hitch, so to speak, it takes considerable time, let alone if there are any issues among any one of the streams of processes, whether it's through the actual application database, through the payment processor, merchant bank. You can see a ton of third parties here have to come into play to conduct a single transaction. Applying blockchain technology makes this incredibly efficient and automated. The key component about Open Platform is that it doesn't make bets on future cryptocurrencies. All it does is make bets that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology itself will exist, so you can use it to incorporate any asset or any payment protocol that exists now or will exist. As the landscape of blockchain technology continues to evolve and change, assets will drop out of relevance and other assets will naturally fill its place. The utilization of blockchain technology is in a state of constant evolution. An open platform does not discriminate between assets. You can use the future of blockchain as it develops with this application. It simply provides a very needed and simple solution to automating and bridging the gap from the developers to the users and to third-party organizations that have to participate. So this is a platform that can be easily molded to adapt and thus has drawn a lot of attention. And despite their team lacking some blue chip experience, they have a very promising future. The diagram shows the current in-app payment process requiring numerous steps and significant amount of infrastructure. It costs developers an upwards of 30% in fees if the application in question is a mobile app utilizing a traditional app store. The transactions take 30 to 60 days before remaining funds are settled and accessible by the developer. Geolocation boundaries and regulations imposed by hosting platforms in order to drive their own profits limit an application's success and the user's experience. Blockchain technology allows for this process to be significantly streamlined and democratized, thus allowing for substantial time time and monetary savings for both developers, users, and third-party organizations. Now, the open money-enabled infrastructure completely simplifies that process. This diagram shows the open platform interacting on the blockchain to form a decentralized payment verification gateway that can accommodate the flexibility of numerous pricing schemas required by any conventional or unconventional applications, decentralized or centralized. This provides a decentralized stacked solution that securely connects user payments to a centralized database. This architecture leverages blockchain for things it excels at, being an immutable data anchor while utilizing existing centralized infrastructure to handle other application requirements, such as data storage and scalable computational power. It is not currently necessary, efficient, or realistic to decentralize everything within this stack. As a result, Open has created a modular solution that can be easily integrated into existing applications, enabling many traditional applications to utilize blockchain architecture. Open creates a needed developer payment gateway solution that is fully self-contained and simple to implement on pre-existing infrastructure. Switching from a centralized to a decentralized payment gateway through this open platform can be made easy using a function call, providing unique benefits that can be acquired with minimal integration resources. Leveraging the power of decentralization, it's possible to create this reliable ecosystem that enables any application developer to deploy customized payment schemes across decentralized networks and accept cryptocurrencies as that method of payment. It further enables the reliability of that information, eliminating single points of failure, time constraints, and ensures a level of data integrity that's impossible to replicate in centralized application architectures. Brought to you by, you guessed it, blockchain technology. By allowing developers to anchor their existing centralized databases to the blockchain via open platform, it provides an ability for any software developer to just plug into blockchain technologies without drastically altering their existing backend or code infrastructure. Of course, this also enables developers to deploy existing successful applications immediately onto a blockchain where the open infrastructure provides a turnkey framework. This furthers the possibility of unprecedented levels of interoperability and entire ecosystems that enable developers to build a plethora of digital products without a coercive intermediary charging significant fees and enforcing limiting restrictions and/or your local regulations. Open has created a blockchain agnostic platform in that it doesn't discriminate between which asset you choose to use or integrate, as is the case when different industries are going to look into investigating blockchain and utilizing it. There is respective blockchain technologies based in hospitality, medical, food safety, etc. You name the industry, there is a variety of development teams working on a variety of assets to solve problems within that industry. Open allows all of those to be seamlessly utilized with minimal cost and changes being made to the companies that are looking to adopt this new technology. The Open API is going to leverage functionalities already present in external libraries to develop a secure way to interact with the blockchain. Many applications and cryptocurrencies are not compatible because they're written in different code. Open Platform is looking to solve and thus requiring the development team to restructure everything in the new language. It will provide an easy, scalable solution for those time-consuming and costly endeavors of completely incorporating a new technology into your existing infrastructure. It is one of the major barriers for blockchain technology to get massively adopted by companies across every single industry. And the Open API, being a smart contract compatible blockchain, allows for so much generalization into credentials, land titles, in-app payments, subscriber services, and apply agnostic decentralized cryptocurrencies as a payment gateway. The team has already released their MVP testnet, and their mainnet infrastructure that's utilizing ERC20 tokens will be released in July of this year. They have also planned to make use of an independent sidechain of Ethermint and is introducing a developer pool to incentivize growth and provide initial user payments. So overall, development has been excellent and the roadmap is ambitious but achievable. and may be extended with some nice surprises for further potential upside. The team also has a strong established partnership with Zensoft, and multiple clients are already lined up. The token metrics are well designed, and there is a good explanation behind each metric, which will inherently benefit the project in both short and long term. There's a ton of ICOs currently on the market that are very promising, and a ton that look promising but won't actually end up being so. Open Platform solves a big problem in centralized payment systems being slow and expensive to look at incorporating blockchain technology and the inherent benefits that come with it so that they can also benefit from saving time and money. However, the language differential between platforms and assets, between third-party applications, developer applications, and users, Open Platform is really making strides in bridging the gap between the blockchain-based technology and the existing code base and infrastructure of major companies that continue to operate around the world and are continuing to look for better, more scalable solutions to ongoing issues. Looking at them on CoinMarketCap, they've hit the ground running with overall volume, and although it has dropped off, all it's going to take is a few more listings, as they are only on KuCoin and Gate.io with a pretty even spread across both exchanges. A listing on Bittrex or Binance would send this asset to the moon, and pending any significant partnerships that they do develop, and pending the rollout of their mainnet and any other releases, this project is looking to grow in market cap. This was a deep dive on Open Platform. It was a tad more dense than the usual videos. So if you're still with us, make sure to smash that like button. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Open Platform. Provide a thoughtful comment along with your Bitcoin wallet address. And if we hit 200 likes on this video, we will be giving away $50 USD worth of Bitcoin. So join the Crypto Review Central family. Hit that subscribe button and click the white bell notification button. And stay tuned for all the cryptocurrency news that you come to YouTube looking for. Blockchain technology has a very bright future, teetering on the edge of worldwide mass adoption, and many are anticipating a big bull run to close this year out. Stay tuned as we cover the ever-evolving changes. Thank you so much for watching Crypto Review Central. My name is Landon, and until next time, everyone.